Hello guys, how are you all doing? In today's video, we are going to build an iPhone 13 by buying different parts from AliExpress. So let's get started. Now we'll unbox the parts that arrived from AliExpress and see how they look. In our first package, we got the cowlings and the screw set for our iPhone. Next up, we have a package from Ali Sunny. They included a small piece of cloth. I guess it's a little gift from them. We've also got the iPhone 13 camera and it looks pretty genuine. Since the Chinese version of iPhone 13 doesn't support eSIM, I brought a dual SIM card reader instead. And finally, from Ali Sunny, we received the ambient light sensor, also known as the proximity sensor. Now let's move on to our third package. This one contains the actual iPhone 13 housing. I did some inspection and surprisingly, the parts really look OEM. In our final package, we got the most expensive component, the motherboard. As you can see, the seller made a great effort to secure the package, and I really appreciate the packaging. Now let's organize all the parts and get started building the iPhone. And yeah, don't mind my tools. I'm not a professional. This isn't my job. It's more like a hobby. I really enjoy doing stuff like this. Now let's unbox the display. I got this one from Eastern Mobile Shop. They sell high quality original iPhone GX displays for all models, so I decided to buy from them. I will attach their Facebook page link to my description so you can buy from them. And yeah, I forgot to talk about the battery. I got this battery from our country's local shop called Noor Telecom. I'm cleaning the internal components to make sure no dust or debris get trapped inside. That could cause issues later on. Finally, let's heat up the adhesive and attach the display to the body. Now let's take a quick look at a short video of our final product. And that's it. We have successfully built an iPhone 13 from scratch using parts from AliExpress. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.